Well, I got way ahead of myself. I went ahead and skipped like all the steps that anyone would care about, you know, like torquing the head down and doing the timing belt and shit. But yeah, it's already done. Fucking went ahead and lined everything up to top dead center. So you got your marks up there are top dead center. The mark right here at the flywheel is top dead center. My distributor, I haven't even touched the ignition timing. Right now, we're just go ahead and clean up this manifold. I picked up a spare motor that I could use a lot of parts off of. It just makes my life easier. And with this one already having the Weber on it, I don't actually have to come over here and fill this hole under the carb for the Weber. This is what we took off right here. It's a Weber 38, the Outlaw. And my new one's sitting in here. They use the same adapter, so I may just hold on to this adapter for maybe one of my other Hondas. I don't know. But yeah, we're just cleaning all this up. We're gonna go ahead and, once everything's cleaned up, we'll bolt the carb on before we put it in the motor, or put it in the car. We went ahead and capped off the EGR here. I've got my carbureted thermostat housing. It's for a carb A series. You need that, and you also need the water pipe from the carb motor. The reason being that the ports, there's two ports right here on the fuel injected motor, and there's not a port right here, and so you need this port right here because it's going to go into the manifold right here. And then this other port right here, this also goes into the manifold. And then your bypass hoses, they go to right here, and the other port on your thermostat. And then this right here I have capped off for the carb conversion. Yeah, you don't really need it. Pretty much every vacuum line in the engine bay on a stock Accord is going to be gone. We're going to have one vacuum line to the distributor here, and I think one vacuum line will be going to the charcoal canister because I plan to keep that. Everything else though is all pretty much done. I still got to do a valve adjustment and, you know, get the transmission and shit on. This little box of all the mounts and crap I painted. And we're probably gonna use the stock manifold for now, because this one we're gonna have to do a lot of fabrication to make a downpipe and a collector. And also we need to fix some of the welds up here that were poorly done. But yeah, we'll get that figured out. Maybe we'll just use all brand new piping and it'll look beautiful. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at now. It's been kind of a minute. I've been taking my sweet ass time to get this crap together. Bought some rims for the Accord. Shit's looking pretty fire. But yeah, hopefully I'll try to remember to record some of the next stuff. Got all the valve train is all fully assembled now. Looks good. We have everything pre-lubed or whatever, kind of. So make my life a little easier. Makes the wear on the cams and shit a little easier. But we replaced everything. Did the head gasket, all the gaskets, valve seals, everything. The only thing we didn't touch was the bottom end, the bearings, the rings and shit like that. That's all stock. We kept the same head bolts. We're gonna go ahead and reuse the OEM ones because I ordered head bolts for from ARP and they're still not here, so it is what it is. We'll just have to deal with that. But yeah, I'll try to stay posted on everything for you guys. The motor is just about fully assembled though.